a new day. It's a new vlog. I really just wanted to get on here and chit chat because it's been a minute since we talked, since we hollered. So I just wanted to come in here and chit chat with y'all. So first of all, I've been really going through it. I don't know what's been going on. I've been really going through it, and I know people say once you start to grow your relationship with Christ, things get harder before they get better. And I just want to say they definitely are. I'm really I've been I don't want to say I've been depressed, but that's the feeling that I'm getting, and I just don't know. But I've been thinking a lot lately about my life, and it's a lot of things that I just don't desire to have anymore, that I used to just be oh, I want that, I want that, I want that. And it's just now I'm okay with settling for something that I don't think that I want. I don't know, I don't know how to explain it, but I don't know if it's because I really don't want the things that I did want, or if it's because whenever I did want something, I was always told, oh, you don't really want that. Come on. You don't really want that. You just want it because someone else has it, or you my ex used to always be oh, you just want that because you seen it on social media. You don't really want that. So it's just I guess I train my brain to think oh, I don't really want that, or I don't deserve that, because and that's really crappy. That's really messed up to think that way, and it's really messed up to let somebody else make me feel that way. But it's just I don't know, now I feel I don't deserve a lot of things that I know for a fact I deserve. And I feel because I am the way that I am, it gives people it makes people think that it's okay to treat me certain ways or to handle me certain ways, because I am a very humble person, and I am a very appreciative person, and I'm grateful for the little things. People feel I don't deserve the big things. I don't want to say stuff because I know that my ex be feeling some type of way about me talking about him, so I don't want to say certain things, but it's just okay. So I had a friend that bought me something for Christmas, right? And they know that I'm not a materialistic person, so they just got me whatever, right? And I'm just I'm not ungrateful. I'm appreciative. I like it. It's cute. However, it's not me. And I feel people don't get me things that I want or I like because they feel because I'm a grateful person and because I'm an appreciative person, I'll just accept whatever, And I'm not saying it was a little anklet or whatever. It was cute. It was gold, but it was it looked like something a man would wear. And I'm not saying, I don't want nobody to be well, who are you to think that, you're too good for that? That's not what I'm saying. I just feel if you know me, as a person, and I'm really girly and I'm really dainty, and the jewelry that I wear has accessories on it, and it has jewels on it, and it has charms on it. Why give me something that looks like you would get it for a man? You get what I'm saying? And I just feel people just do stuff for me, or I don't know, it's just oh, she'll take it, so I'm gonna just give it to her type of thing. I don't know how to explain it. And I'm not saying everybody should be like me, but I'm the type of person, I'm considerate of people. If I know that you like certain things, then I'm going to go out of my way to make sure that you're satisfied with whatever I give you. And I feel people feel because I'm an appreciative person and because I'm grateful, I don't deserve better. I deserve below the bare minimum because I'm just going to be grateful for it and accept it anyway. Of course I'm going to accept it, because I don't want you to look at me girl, who do you think you are? You can't accept this from me, da 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 da. But be fucking for real. It's a thin line between being grateful and being deserving. You know that I deserve better, so why would you treat me I don't know how to explain it, but I'm going through that. I'm going through that right now, because it's it's some things that I want and I just can't have them. And it's not I can't have them, but it's just I feel I don't deserve them because of the way that people treat me So I'm not really trying for better, you know. I'm just trying for, well, at least I got it, you know, like that type of thing. Like, well, at least I have this and at least I have that, you know. I might not have exactly what I want, but I have that, you know. Like my car, for example, that's not the car that I wanted, and I'm not ungrateful at all. I'm very appreciative because I really needed a car. So I'm very grateful to God that I was able to get the car, because I couldn't really afford the car and I really didn't have the credit to get the car. But that's not the car that I wanted, but I was talked out of getting the car that I wanted. And when people, even though I could afford the car that I wanted, people like talked like, well, you know, that's expensive and the maintenance is expensive and your car note's gonna be, like, people really like talked me down like I just didn't deserve it. Like, people like really like just talked me down like I just didn't deserve the car that I wanted because I came from a certain lifestyle, and I'm just not deserving. And the car that I have is amazing. Like, it's a great car. You know what I'm saying? But like, people just like really just like, oh, can you even afford that? Like, is that, you know, like, just like, I just feel like I deserve better. And because of what people thought about me, I just settled. Like, you know, like, well, at least I have a car. It might not be the car that I want, but I have a car, you know. So like, that's just how I see my life. And I really hate that I see my life that way, because I'm such a great person, and I'm not just saying that because it's me. And, you know, people love to like say nice things about themselves, but I really am. Like, I put other people before me. I always think of other people's feelings before my own. Like, I'm really like a great person, and I just feel like nobody believes in me. Like, people will say that they do, but they don't. And then like, if it's like something that I really strongly believe in, they will find a way to like to put a dent in it. Like, well, you shouldn't do that, or that's not, you know. So I just feel like right now that's where I'm at with life. Like, even though I'm like trusting God to give me the things that he knows that I really, really want, I just feel like at this point I'm just like, you know, I don't deserve that, so I'm not gonna get that. As long as I have this, I'm satisfied and I'm fine, which is great. And that really is how I am. I am like appreciative and satisfied. But I really just came on here to like chat with y'all, not to end up crying. I'm about to go to the house and eat this little queso dip that I made. I had to go to the store and get some chips. I really need to take this thing off of my phone because it's like making my stuff look blurry. But I'll talk to y'all in a bit. Bye.
Girl, you make me go so loco, make me go crazy. We would make a beautiful baby. Knock on wood, is you trying to date me? Is it you? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, listen, wait, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit heavyweight.
Yeah, we are currently at AutoZone about to get a new battery for the car. Well, we already got the battery, but we're about to get it changed. Okay, y'all, so we are still at AutoZone. I have a newer model car, so they have to like deconstruct my whole like battery to pull the battery out to replace the battery. So we're gonna be here for a minute. We might not even make it to martial arts today, which would be unfortunate, but hopefully they get done at a reasonable amount of time so that we can make it to martial arts. You're done? Okay, thank you. So, okay, I'm gonna get y'all something to drink when we leave here, okay? Peace. You want to be in the vlog so bad. There you go, girl. Yeah. You got food all on your face. I still gotta go to the hair store and get some stuff for Zy'Air. So that's that. We at martial arts with it, y'all. Yeah, y'all see that little blur right there. Right there. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? That is from my dang on phone thing. And I need to fix that. But yeah, we're at Micah's martial arts. Y'all, guess what? We're back in our baby.
Oh.
We back in our Maybach. Okay? We're back in the back. Back in the back. Back in the back. Back in the back. You gotta say back in the bag. We back in the bag. Back in the bag. Back in the bag. I don't even want to make back. I don't even know why I'm saying it like that. But yeah, we back in our car, y'all. We finally got the new battery. Oh, I should have got my mom and them handicap stickers so I could park in the handicap. But yeah, we made it to martial arts. It don't start for another like 15 minutes, so we're early.
Are we too early or are we just early?
We just early. We like right on time early.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm about to warm up a little bit and then we about to go inside. I should have stuck to the short locks because these is too long for me. Like, I can't see how the girls do it. Like, baby. This is too much.
You look like that girl from JCPenney's.
Thanks. You got a hair appointment.
No.
Soon. Not today, but you got a hair appointment coming up soon. I just don't know when it is because I don't know what happened to the receipt with the appointments on it. But yeah, y'all, we made it to martial arts. I need to clean my car out now that we back rolling and riding. Ain't that right?
Yeah, Mommy. And Mommy, are you going to record me while I'm in there?
I'll see. I record you all the time.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. So cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her.
Ladies and gentlemen,
There's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings?
So this is what we got for her teacher. This little doggy. Happy Hearts Day. Oh, it's a gift card holder. We did not get a gift card. Sorry, Miss B.
I like the unpaid there.
Dog tags off. And then we got this bag right here. And then we got this card.
I
You want to write something? What you want to write in this other card?
I would say, you're the best teacher I ever had.
That's it?
In the whole world.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, put your name on here. Right here. Yes, girl.
What's your pen?
Now we're done with that part. Yeah, I'm still one of them people that lick the card. That's probably so ghetto right there. Licking the card is ghetto. Where's your teddy bear? Well, that's I say it's for girls' duty. I can get you a teddy bear. You want a teddy bear? We can go get you a teddy bear today, okay? Yes. Now you know it's a girl, right? Look, give me that cake. Give me that cake. Don't you be going to your bag in the cafeteria to show people either, Micah, okay? Now, what are you supposed to do? When you get in class, you give your teacher her gift, okay? For the other gifts, you leave it in the bag until it's time to hand them out, okay? If nobody's handing them out, what do you do? Leave it in the bag. So they put the seatbelt on. Yeah, I don't think Micah's class having a Valentine's party. She said they are, but I don't think they are because we never got a note.
It's because I see
see. He said he want a teddy bear. Let me see, Duty. Look what my mama got for Micah for Valentine's, y'all. A little jelly bean teddy bear.
It has candy. I like candy.
Skirt, skirt, all niggas. Skirt up, all niggas. Skirt down, you acting like me.
We about to go into the hair store and get this stuff for Zy'Air. For his little waves. And see how it goes. Y'all, I don't know what the hell I'm looking for. And I can't find what I'm looking for because I don't know what I'm looking for. I don't see no wave grease, no wave pomade, nothing. But then again, I don't know what I'm looking for. So, am I really looking? Maybe I've seen it already and just passed it up. I don't know. I'll be back. I secured the package, y'all. Look, look, look. And I found the little wave gel that I was looking for. So, after ages of searching, I finally found it. My mom better not still be up here on the phone. Look like she is.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compare.
I didn't even close out the vlog, y'all, so this is the end of the vlog. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all in next week's vlog. Bye. Love you. Peace.
Everything around me.